Sometimes the most meaningful gifts are not the ones bought from a store, but the ones made with love, patience, and a little sparkle of creativity. Butterflies remind us of transformation, of growth, and of how even the smallest moments can bloom into something extraordinary. When I thought of making this card for him, I wanted it to hold more than just beauty. I wanted it to carry a memory, a feeling, a piece of my heart. Every cut, every fold, every touch of glitter glue feels like I'm stitching together the story of us. The way we laugh, the way we dream, and the way little things matter so much. The butterfly, for me, is a symbol of hope, of change, and of the delicate strength that love gives us. Just like a butterfly's wing, love is fragile. But when it takes flight, it can move hearts and sometimes even can change lives. So, as the card opens and the butterfly gently pops up, it's not just a design, it's a message. You make my heart take flight. Sometimes words are not enough, and sometimes a handmade gift says what we can't always speak out loud. This isn't just a card, it's a reminder for us that love, when nurtured, can sparkle brighter than glitter and soar higher than a butterfly's wing.